Good morning everyone and welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. It is a beautiful spring morning here in downtown Stockholm. We are basically above Central Station, and as you can see we've got Queen Street, aka Drottninggatan, in front of us, and we've got Klarabergsgatan this way, so it doesn't get more downtown Stockholm than this. And today is finally the day I'm gonna check out the what they call in Japan Sakura, aka the cherry blossoms of Kungsträdgården. And the reason why I like this so much, and also why everyone likes it so much, well, besides the fact that it looks wonderful, is also that it's the best sign of spring you can get. You know, the flowers look so nice and everyone's always taking picture, so it's more like a symbolic thing of like, okay, now the spring has really started. So yeah, this should be fun. I was there last week with Olof. I ended my live stream there, but then I realized I was too early. It wasn't actually blossoming yet. So let's hope it's better today. Yeah, and let's check it out. Let's explore it a little bit. This is quite nice. We are at Sergelstory right now, aka Plattan, and they put on many. First I thought it was flags. I mean, they look like flags, but they're not really country flags. They're just more like artistic colors, shapes. So yeah, not country flags anyway. Oh, I think someone is recording some kind of video clip over here. That's nice. I don't know what they're doing, but maybe it's for TV or something. We've got the City Hall next to us. Not the City Hall, what am I saying? The City Theater. Not the City Hall. City Hall is a different place. And actually this is quite interesting to show, because this little balcony here is usually used for demonstrations. So if you want to give some kind of political speech or demonstration, you know, people stand on here. You see the church, and of course the fountain. You can't miss it. Such a signature thing here in the city. It's a bit windy today. I haven't connected the new microphone yet that I got from Olof. Basically because I was too lazy. I couldn't be bothered this morning, but I'll do it later on when I go on the walk with Olof. So I'm really curious if the cherry blossom is actually blossoming. What I usually do is I go to Instagram and I go like hashtag Kungstrdgrden and then check if other people are taking pictures there. I think that's a good way of checking it, because I don't think there's like a webcam or anything on Kungsträdgården. So we will find out in about 5 minutes or so. Oh, here it says actually, Stockholm is blossoming, it said on the sign. Well, not everywhere yet, but yeah, it's starting to look like something. There's more green, the grass is changing color, the flowers are coming back. It's just lovely. I hope everyone's doing great. Also in the chat section, the chat gang has been on fire the last weeks. Every day it's crazy. There's so many comments, it's hard to keep up for a lot of people. But I love it. It's a great spirit. I see also a lot of new people, so welcome to the channel. For the people that have just tuned in and just found my channel recently, my name is Daniel. I am basically walking around Stockholm every single day of the year. I'm going from the suburbs to the city, to the train station, an occasional train or bus ride. I just basically show you what Stockholm's got to offer. That's what I do. And I've been doing so for about 410 days in a row. I mean, I've missed a few days, but not many. So let's wait for the light to go green here. As you can see, according to true Stockholm tradition, everyone is ignoring the red light. In front of us there, across the street, we've got the Nordiska Kompaniet that you've seen already in a few of my other videos. It is still a bit chilly because it's like, what time is it? Not sure. Maybe 9 o'clock in the morning, something like that. So I would say it's like plus 8 degrees maybe. Not so warm, but it will get nice in the afternoon. This is a typical thing that you always see in Sweden in the spring. Like, it will be nice during the day, but during the mornings it can be sometimes still close to 0 degrees even in May. So when you come here as a tourist, make always sure you bring a backpack with some different clothes, you know. So if you go out in the morning, bring a light jacket still, and then in the afternoon, you know, it can be t-shirt weather or at least no jacket weather. So be prepared when you come to Stockholm, because the weather can shift. Or just sleep in very late and don't wake up before 11. That also works. So you don't have to go outside when it's still cold. Okay, the question is it blossoming? And the answer is, yes, it is. It is blossoming. Whee! Finally. Finally. It's nice and early, so there's not so many people taking pictures yet. I don't think it's like fully at the highlight of the blossom, but it's pretty close. We're getting there. Let's go to the other side first and check it out. Oh yeah. Oh, they filled the pond with water. Oh yeah. So nice. The water is finally in. I would say this is the place in Stockholm where people take the most pictures. Kungsträdgården. Oh, nice. And they're cleaning it up. Spring cleaning. So I guess the other side has more sun, because this one has less than that side. So let's go to the other side. It looks a bit better. Oh, it's very windy today. I'm a little bit cold because I'm wearing shorts and it's only like plus 8 degrees. But that's how I roll. Once I switch to shorts, I stay to shorts. So you can see here, everyone's taking pictures. It looks spectacular. Look at the beautiful pink color. This is the moment everyone's been waiting for. So nice when the trees are like touching each other from each side, like a roof. Not much to say really, just enjoying it. Oh, the fountain is on. It's funny how suddenly everyone becomes a photographer here. And then they go on Instagram like hashtag spring, hashtag life's good, hashtag. Got the chess game here. Nice. So, let's keep it a little bit shorter today. I just wanted to show you the cherry blossom. Okay, I will walk around the pond and then finish it off. Finish it off, that sounds like I'm gonna kill someone and I finish you. Oh, I think the duck should be happy. The pond is back, my friend. One, two, dive in. That's it. There was a medieval market here last weekend, sorry. It was nice, I went there to have a look. I was a bit too early, so I didn't film it too much, but it was funny. There was like a group of people practicing sword fighting and all that kind of stuff, so that was fun. It was fun for my kids to look at. See, so here it's blossoming way less than on the other side. So now it's officially spring, folks. So that's it for today's little video here from Kungstrdgrden. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow on a new adventure in Stockholm. Don't forget the thumbs up. Bye bye.